Created our first repository on GitHub, we need to prepare our local system before we can proceed. I'm going to be doing most of my work in the command line. On Windows, use Git Bash. On the Mac, use the default terminal application or a third-party terminal program like iTerm2, which is what I'm using. Either way, the Git commands will be the same, so now open your terminal program. By default, your terminal program should put you in your user's home directory, which we can confirm by typing pwd. I like to manage all my projects together in a projects directory within my user's directory. To create that directory, type mkdir space projects, then press enter. Then change into that directory, cd space projects, press enter. Now if we pwd, you can see that we are now within our projects folder underneath the user's home directory.